At the end of November 2016, we saw a change in Google structured data recommendations where now for local business, and specifically you can see here restaurants, they require an image, which is either a URL or defined as an image object. And if you're testing your local business, you'll actually see this error show up for all types of local businesses, not just restaurants. So we heard your feedback, we saw Google change, and we've now updated Schema app to make it easier for you to do image objects. Let's go and take an example. So this is a local business, a bakery. We'll go ahead and edit it. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the two different ways that you can add an image object. So the first is if we go ahead and just add a URL. So if we go to the website and we copy the image object address, you can see here it's going to say external data item. So this is just a URL and it says it's defined somewhere else. So you can go ahead and select that. The other option is to go ahead and actually create an image object. So this is sort of where we can actually define that it is an image. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this, let's see what the next picture is on here. Oh, tarts. So we'll copy the address. We'll call it tarts. And we'll put in the URL here for the image. And then we'll click on OK. And then I'll go ahead and click Save. So now you'll see two things. You'll see the two images. The one that's the image object you'll be able to click on. So you can see if I click on tarts, it's going to take me to the connected data item that's for image. And I can go ahead and edit this. And so this is, sometimes Google is requiring you to define the height and width. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come in, I'm going to add the URL for butter tarts. And then you can go ahead and add a definition of what the height and width is. I'm guessing what those are, by the way. So then you'll go ahead and click Save. And you can go back to Newton's gluten-free. And you'll see here I cannot click on the scones because that's the undefined or kind of externally defined just plain URL. So that's how you can now manage your images more easily. Before we had, it's going to be much easier for you to just be able to add sort of what that height and width is and avoid some of the errors that you're seeing in the structured data testing tool.